Yeah. Niche. Let's get it. Chacola Melo. Whoa.
Before we start this video, we're gonna do a quick test. Between these two headbands, which one should I wear with a black top? Put your answer in the comment section. So basically, I know a lot of you guys here like to wear your Nike headband every day, at any occasion, any opportunity you get. But let me be honest with you guys here. Listen, this head tie cannot be worn in every circumstance. And that's no cap. I'm telling you out of love. Feel me? So that you don't go out there looking stupid. So in this video, I'm going to show you instances where you should wear a normal headband instead of a Nike head tie. Do you know what I'm saying? Or a normal head tie, basically like something like this. This is a headband in it, but with no logo or anything Nike on it. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get it. You see, for example, with this hoodie, you might say, oh, it's alright, it's calm. No. It's not calm, bro. This is not calm at all. Do you want to know why it's not calm? Because you should never, ever wear this Nike headband here. Yeah, with the top that has too many patterns on it. It's just too much. As in, when you wear your head tie, you want it to be noticeable. You know what I'm saying? It's still noticeable, but you're just doing too much. It's not like drippy. The art of being drippy is to be noticeable but smooth at the same time. Like, it's not like boom, but it's more like whoa. You know what I'm saying? Certain things I can't explain into words, but trust me on this one. So when I take off the head tie, boom, the headband is there. That's more subtle. Do you know what I'm saying? It's more subtle, it's more smooth. You feel me? And that's what we're looking for. You know what I'm saying? Because this hoodie is made to be seen, it's made to be noticed. Do you know what I'm saying? People won't be able to notice your hoodie, yeah, if you're wearing that Nike, that big ass Nike head tie on. Do you know what I'm saying? It's Nike all over. You know what I'm saying? I ain't nothing wrong with that, but it's just too much Nike going on, so you have to break it. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you another example. Actually, you know what? This looks good. God damn, bro. Raw. One second. Hold on. It does look good with the Nike head tie. Whoa. I like it. I thought it wasn't going to look good. It does look good. But, however, once again, it's got so many patterns that it looks good. It does look good. I'm not going to cap, I'm not going to cap. It does look good. But it looks better without the Nike head tie. Because again, one of the secrets of dripology is that you need to be smooth. So again, you got the little headband and everything, you know what I'm saying? It still is smooth, but you know what I'm saying? It still conveys the drip overall. Do you know what I mean? Like, when you have the Nike head tie here, it's such a noticeable thing that all eyes will be on it. But sometimes there are certain clothes, when you wear them, you want them to be the main piece. Do you know what I mean? in your style. So that's when you need to know what to put in front of the people. Do you know what I'm saying? You need to know what you put in people's face. Trust me, I know from experience, because I'm an experienced dripper. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you see again. It's more, you know what I'm saying? It's better. It's just way better. You know, simple things are always the best. You feel me? Let's go to the next example, baby. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? The carbon phone him. Yeah. I need a haircut. What I'm about to do is against the law of nature, but it has to be done for the culture. You see, for example, this, I believe, is alright. It's possible. It is possible indeed to put this Adidas, this Nike, again, it still looks good, but it will look better like this. You feel me? It will look better like that, and you know it does. Even I know, I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. I haven't worn this in a minute. I even forgot how good it looked. Actually, it does look good. No cap or foreign out, you know what I'm saying? Bang, bang, bang. Free the gang. Basically, the key is the fact that whenever there's something that has a lot of patterns, you're better off wearing this headband. No more headband, do you know what I'm saying? With no Nike tick on it, no nothing. Let me do a look at the floor. You feel me? Listen, I know you think I look good, but you know, I'm taken. Sorry for the ladies out there, I'm taken, you know what I'm saying? And last but not least, I do not recommend you. It's not bad. I don't recommend you wearing a Nike head tie with this type of shirts, like, you know them holiday shirts, you know what I'm saying? You know, these are the type of shirts you wear at the beach. It don't look too bad, but it's always better over normal thing. You know what I'm saying? It's always better. Always better. You know what I mean? I usually don't wear t-shirts under them, but I'm so tired. It's 4 o'clock. Look how hard I'm working for you guys. You need to go down in the description and so you need to subscribe. And you know, if you want to cop any of these Nike merch and everything, any Nike that was featured in the video, just use my link. You feel me? Help support the channel. There are a couple sales. I'm gonna put the link to it. You know, if you want to get some 60% discount, 50-30% discount, I'll put the link down in the description. You feel me? I think it's my bedtime. You know, no cap. I don't know why I feel like Luffy from One Piece right now. Kaizo. Mamor. Indo. Kendo. Listen, I need to speak Japanese, man. I need to learn how to speak Japanese, man. No cap for it. The correct answer was, with a black t-shirt, you wear not this, you wear the blue one. Because I strongly advise you that whenever you want to wear a black t-shirt, don't wear the black Nike head tie on top. Wear the blue one. You feel me? Always wear the blue one to make it stand out. So yeah guys, if you like this video, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, subscribe and share, baby.
I'm from the Brooklyn XAJ, man mistake with a pen like JK. True say I ain't